My name is Tran Porter, and I am the Senior Strategic Program Manager for Adecco. We provide contingent workers for Honda of South Carolina. We work with Florence-Darlington Tech to provide welding associates for Honda. It's a 2-week program that Florence-Darlington Tech does in order to get the associates ready for welding, to have a little bit of experience with welding so that when they come they can learn the Honda way of welding.
My name is Calvin Fomore. I'm 25 years old. I'm currently enrolled in the GED by 23 program.
GED by 23 is a collaborative agreement between South Carolina technical schools and adult education. Students who engage in this program are able to earn scholarship money. Scholarship recipients can earn degrees and certifications from the technical schools in South Carolina.
I got in contact with the Florence-Darlington Technical College, and I try to further my education, so I wanted to take up a trade.
We love the welders coming out of FDTC to us here at Honda. This partnership provides an excellent pipeline of already skilled associates that we basically just have to teach our process, fine-tune a little bit, and then they're off performing their process on their own at a high level.
You'll have a clean weld every time. I mean, Zach obviously teaching us the right way. This is his work. Zach did this. And the goal is to try to get the weld to look like this, you know?
We're right here at Honda, and I'm gonna tell you about my experience so far. Honda, they teaching me very well. I'm learning real quick. I operate the machine by myself in like 3 days. When I first started welding, I had no knowledge at all. Didn't know how to weld, didn't even know how to hold a gun. Went to Florence-Darlington Technical College to the 2-week program sponsored by Honda. I went there and I learned it was easy. You know, they taught me how to hold a gun, the right angles, how far to go with the nozzle. They really prepared me for Honda.